So today marks the end of the first week, beginning of our second week. Time's gone real quick. We blinked and the week was done, but we've done our research, worked out where we want to stay, and time to leave the hotel and start the adventure.
So yeah, today is M-Day, it's move day, it's amazing. Probably the easiest move we've ever done. We've only got 2 suitcases and 2 backpacks. Only thing is now we've got to try and find a cab that's going to fit it all. So we'll show you the new abode as soon as we get there. Righto, here we are, introducing Casa Blue Lagoon. This is our new 43 square metre humble abode. Directly on your left you will find the bathroom, very spaciously appointed, nice tiles and a shower that fits Leon. Oh, and something we are getting acquainted with, the bomb gun, but we might touch on that one a little bit later. Down the hall. This is our lovely bedroom. Comes complete with king size bed, soft mattress, it also has a wardrobe, a couple of desk-y things, lovely view to the ensuite, but don't stress, there is a roller blind. That's the first thing I looked for. And then yeah, we've got this beautiful view out to the city as well. So this is our living area. It comes complete with a 4-seat dining table. Over here we have our kitchen that has a nice fridge freezer. Got some pots and pans and cutlery, sink, kettle, storage space, pantry, induction cooker. There's only one. I have to get used to that. We think that's a microwave, we're not 100% sure, so we're going to have to do some research on that. And then in here they've tucked away the washing machine.
Okay, so the big question everyone wants answered. What's it costing us? Well, we're paying 9,700,000 dong per month, which is around about 430 US, 580 NZ. And as I say, that's per month. And for that, we get the apartment, cable TV, internet, and water included. Cable TV's got about 12 English channels, so that's more than enough for us. Internet speeds are awesome, better than we had in Aussie actually. And water, although I wouldn't drink it straight from the tap, perfectly sweet to throw in the kettle and boil up for a cup of coffee. With that, we did sign up for 3 months, so there's a good chance if somebody was looking to sign up for 6 to 12 months, you might get it even cheaper. Another factor to take into account was the fact this place is brand new. We're the first ones to move into our apartment, and there's still a few empty ones in the building. So we don't have a couch as yet, as you may have noticed in Tasha's walkthrough. We've been assured the couch is coming, should see it in the next week or two, but it wouldn't surprise me if once the building's completely finished and it starts to fill up, there'll be a slight increase in price. The only thing not included for that is the electricity, but we're paying 3,000 dong per kilowatt hour, which is about 13 US cents and about 18 cents NZ.
That's right. And the sign-up process was actually really easy too. We just sat down with the owner, we filled out a 2-page rental agreement, which was really easy to do, paid her a month's equivalent in deposit. We did a quick run through, asked a couple of questions, and that was pretty much it.
And the bits we did sign, they were in English as well as Vietnamese on the same page, so it wasn't too confusing. And the few little bits we weren't 100% sure on, the rental agency rep was here to help us out with that.
Yeah,
so
that was pretty good.
That was nice and smooth. If you're wondering, there's heaps of options with regards to accommodation. This is probably middle of the road, would you say?
Yeah.
We looked at places from studios through to 1-bedroom apartments and complexes that had pools and gyms and all that jazz. There was a number of reasons why we selected this one, but with regards to dollars, you can get unfurnished studios if that's your thing for as low as 250 US a month, right through to 2-bedroom fully furnished luxury apartments for about 700-800 US a month. If you want a whole villa, rent a whole house, the options are there. You can take your pick, really. There's anything for any sort of budget. Easiest way to find them is probably through Facebook and the internet. But my suggestion would be, for sure, do your homework. Get an idea on perhaps the area you want to go, but work out what it is you're looking for in the apartment. But don't do anything till you're here. When we got here, we actually went door knocking for some and looked at some. When I say door knocking, you walk around and they got signs out saying apartments for rent. You can just walk in and ask, eh?
Yeah. And the other thing too is where we stayed in, the area that we stayed in was Sontra, which is located towards the north. And based on the research that we did, we found that was the area that we really wanted to stay at. But once we walked around a few days and did some more research, we actually found that this area was way better. So wait until you're on the ground and then come and check it out, and then make a decision from there, because that was the best way.
Now, to keep things honest and upfront, I will point out that all of the properties we looked at, the level of interior finish possibly isn't up to what people are used to back home. Everything we saw was small and minor, certainly nothing that would affect the way we'll live in or use the apartment. And in honesty, for the price we're paying here compared to what we were paying for an apartment back home, we certainly don't think it's anything worth complaining about. But we did think it was worth mentioning.
Well, that's Casa Blue Lagoon in a nutshell. But if you have any questions or need more information, please feel free to drop us a comment. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Subscribe if you'd like to, and we'll see you next time.
Bye! Cool. Let's go play with that.